My name is Sean. I'm an exterior project consultant with NEPA Builders. I help clients put together plans for exterior projects of all sorts. So roofing, siding, windows, decks, bigger exterior renovations. I had the pleasure of working with Columbos on this project. Their house was in Clark Summit, Pennsylvania. So in this particular case, the family had just built the house, and when the house was completed, they didn't have a deck on there at all. Matter of fact, there was a door leading to the outside, but there was no deck there whatsoever. So we were trying to come up with a plan to add a deck to the back of the house, but put some twists in it based on some of the wishes that they wanted. So they wanted a covered area, so we had to come up with a plan to build a roof over a certain section of the deck. They wanted a hot tub eventually. They wanted some living space. So we kind of just had to map out all of those things, figure out the size of the deck to be able to make all those pieces fit and have their own areas.
Could you tell us how the Columbos chose you as the right company for the job?
I believe when we met, they had met with a few other contractors at that point in time. I think obviously price point is always something that homeowners want to explore and compare and make sure that they're looking at things that are apples to apples. I think more than price, people want to feel comfortable with the contractor that they're working with. So to have a footprint in the area, a history of providing good work, reviews, X, Y, and Z. I believe we're actually working across the street from James's mom, and that's how they found us. So they had started going through the process, and for whatever reason, either didn't feel comfortable with people that they had spoke with in the past, or they were trying to get a comparable quote from us, and we just hit it off.
Could you describe how the project affects their daily life?
Yeah, I mean, I think adding a deck to their house opened up an area that they could spend outside that was actually finished and comfortable. I mean, the fact that they didn't have a deck at all was just, adding one in general was an upgrade, but turned out to be a beautiful living space for their family and children and be able to hang out, especially the covered area. They could hang out under there in all elements and enjoy the outdoors without having to worry about weather, things like that. I would encourage anybody that is interested in a similar project or any project for the exterior of their house to reach out to us. I believe we have strong set processes in place to be able to guide homeowners to making the right decisions for their home. If anyone out there is interested in a project like this, don't hesitate to reach out to NEPA Builders. We'd love to help.